Hi guys, this is Raquel with Paints and Glitter, and I wanted to open this package that I just received in the mail. Well, actually, I received it a couple days ago, but I've been a little busy. These were the winnings from Sandi Nagel, who is Decorate Your Life. She held a challenge on her blog to share a memory decks card with her, and I did, and I made a little video sharing how I made it and all of that. And I got to win a voucher or coupon for Heartfelt Creations. So I wanted to open this and see what's inside. Now, just to let you know, the coupon, I believe, was for $20 off, which was extremely generous. And what I did was that I used it toward the purchase. I figured, hey, you know what, let me give myself an introduction to this company because I've never worked with their product, but I see it all the time. So many ladies on YouTube use the product and it's absolutely gorgeous. Here it is. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. I went ahead and selected some items that I knew were at a low price because number one, it seemed sensible to me. That's how I like to shop. But secondly, I know that this company has a good reputation in the craft industry. And I knew that these items were going to be out of stock by December, meaning that they're not going to keep making them. And look at that. They added some little mints. Oh gosh, that's so cute. Okay, so I'm just going to take this all out and then move the box. Okay, so here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Oh, my first time opening anything Heartfelt Creations. Can you guys believe it? So let's start here. Here's what I selected. And now I know that there are more items to go with this line, but I just picked out whatever. This is called Floral Fashionista, and I saw Sandi share this on her channel, and I thought it was absolutely gorgeous. I just could not pass it up. I thought it was so, so beautiful. And I love that. I love that it says hope, and now it says faith. I don't know if that's one of the papers, but I guess I'll find out. But this is the die. And it says here there are 4 pieces. Okay, so, oh wow, okay. So there's the dress form and then the different flowers. How cool is that? So obviously they could be used separately or together. So there's that piece there. And there's this one called Elements of Fashion. And this is the other die, and the reason I wanted this was because it coordinates with the dress form. And I thought that was really, really cute. Here is this is like a skirt. And then here's obviously a neckline and then a hat. I just thought that was so pretty. Okay, and then, oh, here's how they do things. Okay, so then you stamp your image and then you cut it out with the die. So this is the stamp of that skirt, if you've not seen it before. Now, these are not new, but they're new to me. And so I'm seeing here there's a stamp of the little hat, the die, the little neckline, and so on and so forth. I think that's pretty clever. Oh, here's the details of that. So pretty. I love anything with a lot of detail, and that just was right up my alley. And here is the stamp then that goes, okay, here we go. So this is the matching stamp to the dress form. I just love this. Love, love, love that. Oh, look at that. It even says love. And I'm seeing these up close for the first time. I like to show things way up close because I know that I'm blind as a bat, so I figure somebody might appreciate that. So there are those 2. How sweet, right? And then this was the coordinating paper collection. I love lavender. I love green. Absolutely beautiful. I knew I was going to like the color, so let's take a look. I'm going to use my little craft knife. 24 pieces of cardstock, double-sided. They are 2 sheets of each design. And I know that Sandi shared this on her channel, but I just wanted to show. Okay, so here's that dress form. It looks bigger here. Oops, see, the cover just came off. It looks a little bit bigger here, but I don't think the stamp is that same size. If I'm not, oh yeah, the stamp image is 2 1/4 by 5 1/4. This is smaller than that, but even so, absolutely gorgeous. And look at all those borders. How pretty. I knew that there would be a lot of detail to this also, and I just, you know, I'm gonna have to probably tape that. So here's the back of that. And I don't know if you guys want to see every page, but let me do this because it'll be too long of a video. But there are all of the little cut aparts. Beautiful. Dark colors too, very vibrant, however. That little corset is just gorgeous. Now, I don't know if they had a corset die. I want to say that they do. That one says, she believed. How pretty is that? I love the sentiments. She turned her can'ts into cans and her dreams into plans. Awesome. How pretty. So this will be excellent to make a mini album, of course. Look at the corset detail on that. Oh my gosh. So like I said before, this I know is not a new collection, but it's new to me, and I think it is absolutely lovely. I am so grateful to Sandi. I just think this is a very, very generous giveaway on her part. It's absolutely stunning, and what a wonderful opportunity to be introduced to such a gorgeous company. Now, I wanted to go visit their booth at a local crafty convention that they are always at near me. However, because of the pandemic, sadly, it was canceled. So that was going to be my plan, was to travel to go see them this past March, and I was unable to. So how awesome is it that now, without having to get into my car to go visit the event that I missed, I still got to have some of these products. I look forward to using them. Sandi, I just want to send a huge hug to you and your family. My prayers are with you, and I appreciate all that you do, not just for this type of thing, but you know what else I'm talking about, hopefully. But yeah, my heart's with you, girl, and God bless you. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you come back to get inspired to make some crafty items. If you would like a voucher to go toward products like these, I have a Linktree link right below this video. Click on it. The very last option is going to be exactly that. Go ahead and get yourself a $28 off your first purchase and have a little fun crafting, okay? Be inspired and be blessed, and thank you for watching. Bye!